anybody, as you even choose the course, I want to encourage them to think of a course that will enable you survive, whether in salaried or employment or in self-employment, which is this course that can enable you even create your own employment. And I want to advise the students that we have training opportunities for them. For example, in Nyandarua National Polytechnic, we have ranging from engineering, skill-based programs, which they can pursue. And our courses take care of all the candidates. C-, they can come and enroll for our diploma programs. Craft courses, this is for those who have got D+. And we also have arts and courses. These ones are for those who got D- and below. A student should not miss an opportunity to train, because I want to thank the government. Move across all the TVETs. We are well equipped with state-of-art equipment, which will make you acquire adequate skills to enable you get employment or fit in the job market. In TVET is not a problem. So I want to encourage parents, that should not be an hindrance to let your son, your daughter stay at home. The fees has been capped to 56,420 shillings. Out of this 56,000, the government is paying 30,000 as capitation. So the balance of 26,420 is what the parents pays. But again, we also have other sources of funds, because we have Higher Education Loan Board, and once you are enrolled in a TVET institution, you are eligible to apply for a loan from HELP. You are eligible to apply for a bursary from HELP. Besides this, we also have other institutions, like we have CDF. We have the county bursary, and anytime you take or you pursue a skills, a course that is skill-based, definitely you can be assured there is no way you will fail to earn a living, unless you are lazy and you are not able to identify the opportunities. Jobs for TVET students are there. It is the jobs that are looking for students, not students looking for jobs. Because go to the building industry. Sometimes, you know, we talk about plumbers and people think it's a joke. To get a good plumber to do your building, it's not easy. A painter will do